Hello, welcome my friend. I'm here with another stack of $50 bills, and seems to be a nice little stack. And let's get us started here. Right off the bat here, we got a pair of, what is it, ones and sixes it looks like. You gotta bear with me. I have all of a sudden got a cold. It must be what they call a summer cold, I guess. And I'm not sure why, but so it goes. What are you going to do, right? So please bear with me, and we'll try to get through this without hacking too much. So, yeah. I hope you're all doing pretty good today. Pair of sevens. See if we can't knock us out some star notes today. Now, I encourage anyone who's watching this video and to go ahead and look through some of my other videos. I've been posting some fishing videos, and I think you'll get a kick out of it. There's some really cool little shorts I've done, and going out fishing with my grandkid. I think you'll like some of that. So please, go to my channel, look at some of those. And I also started a Fish On Now is the name of my other channel as well. Fish On Now. And I've got other videos, fishing videos on that one as well. So, yeah. So we're keeping busy here. Pair of sevens. But yeah, I've got a couple videos that are kind of going a small viral, if you will. And it's kind of neat to see all the videos coming up on that, or all the views that are coming. Pair of sixes. And please help with that and go check it out. So, tell me what you think. Give me some good feedback on that. Pair of threes. And speaking of all that, please do the subscribe thing and the like and the sharing and all that rest of that business. I really appreciate it. I really do. So now look at this is interesting. We got a pair of 93 and a 93 on the bookends. That's kind of cool. And not much there. Pair 4, 88, 22, and 44. The bookends and one in the middle too. So cool. I almost didn't catch that right away. So, yeah, what do we got here? Not much. So, yeah, I had a good Memorial Day weekend. I didn't do a lot. A pair of eights there. That's why I'm really surprised I got this cold. It's like, holy Hannah. Pair of sevens. I didn't do a lot. And how the heck did I get a cold, right? Sometimes it's not about that, I guess. So, but it was a nice, enjoyable weekend. Sometimes doing nothing is kind of the best thing, you know. So, yeah. And let's see what else we got. 72, 79. Pair of sevens, not much. Pair of fives. Well, you got a pair of sixes here. That's always good. Oh, look at all the fours here. 4 fours. Very good. I'd like to see a few more of those, but got a pair of fours. No, more fours. Then more fours. Hey, when it rains, and there's another one. Unbelievable. And a pair of eights as well. So, saying is, when it rains, it pours, right? Holy cows. And what do we got here? Not too much. So, yeah, I did do a little fishing, though, over the weekend. I busted my trolling motor. I bent the shaft on it. So I had to go buy a new armature for that darn thing. 74 and 74. So I'm going to try to exchange that out myself, which I should be able to. Pair of fours. Maybe I'll do a video on changing that out. That might be interesting for some people, huh? So, yeah. Pair of fours again. Not much on that guy. Pair of threes. Whoop. Yeah, so please comment. Yeah, comment. Let me know what you did over the weekend. Go fishing, mowed the lawn, stayed home, did nothing. Pair of fours and a pair of deuces. Went to the bar all weekend. Went to the one-armed bandit place. Pair of sevens. Yeah, that'd be kind of fun to find out. Pair of fives. Pair of fives on that one. And look at there. We came through with another star note out there. Now, on this one, the first thing I'm seeing, and I'm making a list out of all these star notes, as I've mentioned before, and I'm noticing a couple different things. This PB and this B2. There's a whole batch of these with the first number, and I can't remember. I think there's 1.2 million that was done on the original batch, and then the same amount was done on the rerun. And this is all in my area that I've been getting these, not at the same bank. At different banks I've been getting them. So this is really, really weird. And they're all 2017 A's. So I know they're the same batch, if you will. So star notes. So that is really, really weird. So anyway, if we go by what the other batches is doing, I can already tell you. I don't even have to look. I can tell you that this is not a rare one. And I just gave you the information on that. You can look it up yourself. And it's so weird. I can't believe for the $50 bills that I am getting so many of these. In fact, I'm going to look up on my numbers here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the seventh one. This is the seventh one that has that first initial part of the serial numbers that I've gotten over the last 3 weeks, I believe, 3 or 4 weeks. So that is, I have to say, that's extremely weird. So, I guess stranger things have happened, right? So when they must have released a whole batch in this area. I don't know how it exactly works. But pair of fives there. So pair of eights. Somebody let me know how that works. So pair of deuces. So next time I get a star note in a 50, I will be looking for that as well. So I am going to actually be continuing on with the 50s for a little bit here yet. Pair of eights. And there's a pair of fives. And a pair of nines. I'm going to go ahead and do this. And then in another week or two, I'm going to start with, I think I'm going to go to 20s. Pair of sixes. 20s were always fun to go to, so I'm going to start that off again. Look at all the fives here. So that was interesting. So, pair of sevens. And not much on that. Whoop. Pair of eights on this guy. Pair of sevens. pair of 9s. Yeah, so it's a small world out there, even with the millions of dollars worth of bills that get floated out there, for me to get the same ones out there. So very interesting. And we got a pair of 7s, pair of 4s right there, pair of 6s, not much to brag about. Oh, look at all the 5s there. There's actually 5 5s on this batch, if you get the 4 there and the 5th one on the end there. So yeah, very cool. And what's there? Not much. 7s, 8s, pair of 8s. Yeah, tell me what you like, the hundreds, 50s, 20s. Tell me what you like, or doesn't it matter? Pair of deuces. Some people probably don't even give a darn. Just show us some cool star notes, right? Pair of 6s. Yeah, I've got a couple of 20s. You know, it's funny. Some of the lower denominations have actually produced more rare notes for me than the bigger denominations, and I find that extremely weird. Because I found that $1 I got at a convenience store, and that was one of the rare ones where they double printed at 2 different mints, which was highly unusual. That one, a dollar bill, I sold for 20. I think I could get more for it on eBay if I really wanted to. And then I've got a couple $20 bills where there's only 64,000 of the darn things made. And yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. And I got those at convenience stores and another store too. So pair of 9s. I find that extremely unusual, especially with all the bills I go through here. Pair of 4s, and then to get them at a convenience store. Pair of 7s. Pair of 8s. Look at all the 1s there. 3 1s. And I think that's it. So, what we got here is a nice stack of 50s with some nice numbers. And of course the star note. And hey, thank you guys so much for watching the channel. And take a look at some of those videos I told you about. I got some shorts I did on my fishing trips, and they're getting a lot of views, so I really appreciate that. Thank you, and we shall talk to you later.